Hey guys, Mikey here from startcrypto.online, bringing you guys a little introduction today. We're going to talk about the Ledger Nano S. Now, the reason we're talking about this today specifically is Black Friday. They are having a special on and you get 50% off. Okay, so 50% off a Ledger Nano S is very good. I recommend everyone have, potentially at least one of these. The reason why these are so good are because they have an encryption built in to them, and you also need to put a pin in to use the device. So if you're on, someone else's PC, or you're transferring crypto to someone else and you're using a device that's infected with a virus or malware or so on and so forth, your crypto is still actually protected because you're using the Nano device itself and you're using the encryption. So this is what the device actually looks like. Okay, so it's like a little USB stick, does plug into your PC via a USB cable. But the good thing with it is when you go to open your wallet, you have to set your PIN code, okay? And it comes in a package just like this, okay? Nice, neat little package. So 50% off sale is extremely cheap. As I said, I recommend at least everyone get one of these. Unless you're constantly trading your cryptocurrencies, guys, you should not be leaving them on exchanges, okay? Because an exchange at the end of the day is just a third party. And a third party can either disappear, scam, shut down, get shut down by someone like the SEC, someone along those lines, unless you're trading specifically on decentralized exchanges. But yeah, definitely, guys, if you're not trading, get one of these bad boys. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that. Do a little quick pitch on my site, guys. So as you know, startcrypto.online, where we have a completely free trading course on there, so you can sign up free. There is a subscription-based content where I do live trading multiple times a week, and there's an advanced course under the subscription as well. So tune in, guys. Check out the free content on there, and good luck with your Ledger Nano S. Take it easy.